Hi again everyone, and welcome back to Sophie's little life hack. I'm going to teach you how to open a bottle of champagne. Now I don't have champagne with me, I have Prosecco, which is the Italian version, and champagne is typically from the Champagne region in France, and then you've also got Cava from Spain. And they are all sparkling white wines that involve the three grapes, Chardonnay, Pinot Noir and Pinot Meunier. So to open a bottle of champagne in front of a guest, you'll have about 6 coils from here, but the pressure that's coming out of your champagne bottle is going to be pushing against the cork. So you want to keep your thumb on top or a finger on top of the cork at all times. Now the trick is to hold on to the cork and twist the bottle, and when you feel the cork pressing against your hand, you want to push down so you get a little like the Queen's fart. Thanks very much.